Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you the tour of Xcode IDE. You should know how this IDE works, what are the shortcuts and what are the things are available here, and how we are going to design the application with the help of Xcode. So going ahead, first of all, what comes up in front of the screen, I will give you the introduction here. So the left side you can see is a project explorer, where you can see the files and the things related to your project, view controller, main, and everything. So you can simply collapse it every time and you can open it. You can open this project explorer always and hide it. Like you can see here, open and hide it. You can do that with the help of this button. Sometimes we need a space for coding. For that we can simply do that. Now this is main. Main is actually your storyboard. Storyboard, what exactly does it? It simply shows us the options for creating the application. Now, going ahead, we have this view controller here. Now, after this project explorer, we go to the total right side of our Xcode IDE. You can make it big here with the help of this. Enter full screen. I did the full screen, now it's in the full screen mode. Now, you can always click on escape, or you can always click on here, which removes it from full screen. On the right side, as the same button as you have seen it on the left side, there's an option which you can show and hide. I will show you what exactly it is and how does it actually works. Now, we have the main screen here. Now, we will see for the right section what it is. You click on this label and you see that automatically it shows the attributes. If you see these three lines here, this actually tells the attributes of this label. So you can increase the font from here of this label. You can type any kind of text, I am label, and it will automatically change. Even you can double click here also and you can simply change it, I am label. Up to you. Then it has the facility of arranging your text inside the label where exactly you want to justify, left side, right side, in middle. Lines and everything, we will see that in future. What is the meaning of this line? Truncate, tail, word wrap, we use it for the label. You can change the background of the label like simply this thing, and you can change the color of the text also inside it. So like this, it have the facility. Now going to this label, you see this angle kind of things, and then you can simply increase the width of it here. You see it here. One way is this. This means increase the width, this will increase the height. Another way of doing is you can simply click here and you can drag it. This is one way. This is X and Y axis. X is means from where it exactly, from the top or bottom, where exactly it is location. So I'll click on it here, and then you have other features are all related to this. We will see this into future videos, what are the purposes of it. But the most of the time, what exactly you are going to use it is this section for doing all your arrangement of the label. These attributes will come from every widget which is available into Xcode. Now we have seen the label. Now if you want to add on more widgets, how are you going to do that? So for that, you can see on the top there is a plus icon. You click on it and you will see all the widgets here. Button, gray button, tinted button, segment control, text field, slider, switch, activity indicator, progress bar, page control, horizontal stack view. Like this, you have a lot of widgets. We will cover one by one all the widgets in upcoming videos, and we will see how does it actually works. And if you want to use any widget, for example, I want to use this button, you have to click on it here and you can simply drag it here. Once you drag it, you can simply pull it by your methods to make it bigger. Like I will do this and I will pull it here and I will simply do that. So like this, there's a lot of things are there available here. So this is a simple example. We will study about the labels more in future videos. Now going back to our section of top menus, Xcode. It will tell you which version of Xcode you have. I'm using the latest version, which is version 13. And in the Xcode, you have Xcode Extensions. We have this extensions, and we have a preferences. Preferences in the sense we can use it for what the purpose of here. So behaviors, account, navigation, times, text editing, binding, source control. These are the things we are going to study later on. I'm just giving you an overview. These are the open developer tools option is there. We will use this later on for our application to be deploying and other things. And then we have a file, add packages. You can add the package, duplicate, export, show in Finder, edit, cut, copy, paste, view, navigate. These are the features available here in the editor, preview, assistant, layout. I'll show you how does it actually works also. So sometimes you have, then you can simply clean the build folder, what purpose we are going to use it, we will see that. And then at the end here. Now, we are here at the Xcode. Now once we start developing the application, we will require to know some other things. So first thing is our main controller. You see here, if I click on it, it will tell us this here. This is the main controller. If you want to do something related to that, then we can get to know. It's a storyboard actually, where you write the story. We call it as a storyboard because we are writing the story over here. And this is the class file in which we write the code. Once we are here, then we can simply write whatever the code. As you can see, default class is there. And in this only, we simply write the code. And when you go here, you can simply, this view controller, you can zoom things from here. Okay, this is our view controller. Now, this view controller, which is showing you as a UI, has to be connected with this view controller class file, because this is just a UI, what we see, that label and everything is showing. But how does the functionality of it to be work on? So we are here and we will go to here, this section, and then we will see there are the class we need to add on here. You see here, various options comes here. Now you see the class is here on this square icon. You see here, this class is connected. So view controller, you can create a new view controller and we can create new classes also. We can do that. Here is a storyboard ID, restoration ID. We will study and we will know how does it actually works and what are the uses of it. Now you can always see your view controllers. This is only one in this section and you can have more. You can see this safe area, I am label, button. So you can simply see that. You can simply delete it from here, gesture report and everything. We will understand how exactly it's going to work. Now sometimes the situation of yours will be there that you will have to connect the buttons and with this code. So we have a facility of this assistant. So the assistants will show the code and the UI together. Now how you will do, you will click on this and you will make a space. Now you are at this place and you can simply reduce it. So I want to close it, I can simply arrange it here according to my need. Now I want to reduce it little bit size. I'm just teaching you how exactly I work in this thing. So we are going to see the code and everything in the situation and we can simply do. Whenever you are done with your work, we can simply close it here like that and you can simply close it everything here. Once you are done with this thing, then we can go back to simply main story.base file. Now I want to close it and I will click on it here. Now here is this thing. I will go back to my this section and I will close this here with the help of it. So now what all the things are done, then we can simply do that. We will understand about what are these small icons. If you can see that is a simple small icons on the right, very small it's showing, and from that you can understand how we can simply make the layout that will be working on all platforms. So see you guys in another video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and I will give you more and more videos. See you guys in another video.